Throughout history, there have been many great innovation breakthroughs in the world of vending machines. From the old world to the new, I introduce to you the Jito Hanbaiki of the future, the Televator Pro Mach 5 300. This very special Jito Hanbaiki uses teleportation technology. That's right, this vending machine teleports what you desire right before your eyes in a flash. Can you imagine stepping on a magical welcome mat and putting your hand on a magical touchpad that can read your taste buds, gender, age group, and even more impressive, your thoughts? Well, it's here, folks. All you have to do is touch, pay, and go. Well, maybe your hands are full and you can barely spare a hand for what you're already buying. Well, no worries. When it comes to instant voice recognition, all you need to do is say and pay. If you need motivation, the Jito Hanbaiki will show you a holographic panel of recommendations based on your biometric and voice scans on the special BioFlex glass screen, which only allows your registered biosignature to pass through it to stop thieves from stealing your food or whatever else you want to buy. You must be thinking a contraption like this must use a tons of wattage, and it does, but no worries. When no one is standing on the mat, the 6'4" Jito Hanbaiki is powered by solar electricity, being wirelessly transmitted via solar panels stationed close by to capture sunlight. For those of us in a rush, we can always get a Kazoku tab or family tab, maximizing time saving with a voice recognition. Just say what you want for a flash and go. Your registered voice signature will automatically transfer the charges to your debit or credit account in the same process with the biometric receptors. And yes, it has hotspots. Call 123 for more information.